Hello, I am Mr. Galt,
And I'm Miss Klein.
and we thank you for taking the time to do the new student tutorial. If you will take time to look around here, you'll see that there are 6 steps. Please follow each step to learn more about how this course works. The first step will give you background on us teachers, and each additional step will be a video that teaches you important aspects of this course. Not only is this going to be beneficial to getting you through this course, it can also impact your grade. Can you talk a little bit more about that, Mrs. Klein?
Sure, what we want you to do is click on the form and answer each question based on the information you learned within those tutorials. And once you submit that form, you will get a 10-point test grade for extra credit entered into your student grade book. Yay! So please do that.
Yes, so do the Google form to get credit, which is our whole goal is to make you feel comfortable in government.
If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to call us, text us, or send us a webmail, and we are more than happy to help. Thanks.
Yes, welcome to government and good luck. Thanks.